Good afternoon, folks. Ken Otott here at Concordia Chevy. Let me play with the fan on this. I'm in a 2025 3/4 ton Chevy Silverado LTZ Trail Boss. Try saying that 5 times really fast and you'll mess up like I do almost every time. This is radiant red with the 6.6 liter gas motor mated with the Allison 10-speed transmission. Now, you talk about, I see a lot of trucks come in and everything, and I'm like, well, that's a nice truck, that's a nice truck. When I saw this the other day, I'm like, oh wow, that is amazing. So when we do the walk around, when you look at the photos I take and share online, when you drive by it here at Concordia Chevy, you will say, wow, that is amazing. Now, it's an LTZ, so it's all the bells and whistles. So you got Bose sound system, you have those extendable mirrors, trailering mirrors. That's nice, isn't it? Push those buttons, you don't jerk on them or yank on them or anything, and they fold in as well. So I like pushing buttons. Ask people and they'll tell you. Of course, 4-wheel drive, heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats. You have, look at that bed view camera. That is amazing. You have also the standard, backup camera. Let's see if I can get that to work here. There is in front of us, there is around us, plus you got the surround vision. So there is not a drone above us taking pictures. That's all stitched in by the computer. Let's go back here to the bed view camera. That is right there. Let's drop that rear tailgate. There it goes. It's dropping down. The thing is talking to me. It'll drop down. And with the key fob, let's push this button and hold it. Let's see if we can get it back up. Look at that, folks. Don't even have to get out. There you go. So that is a great thing to have. Lane keep assist, lane departure warning, wireless charging down here. Big old spot to keep your peanut M&Ms. I like peanut M&Ms. I don't eat them like I used to. 2 great big old glove box areas. The rear, here, let's hop out here. Leather all the way around with all-weather floor liners, hidey holes back there in the back. I'm going to fall out of this thing, so if something happens, please call 911. Because this being the trail box, it has a 2-inch lift from the factory. This is just one gorgeous truck. If Ken Otott was a truck, I would look like this. You got the red recovery hooks up there, skid plate underneath, Z71 6.6 liter V8 3/4 ton truck. The wheels are amazing. I like the look of those wheels. It's the Trail Boss. So there you go. Push this button. We already played with it once from the inside. Down she comes. So you got your hookups for your 5th wheel, the chain tie downs. There is your spot for your pigtail. Let's see if I can find it. There I did. I found the right button. You got the old man steps there. Of course, they make these things so stinking tall. You got a step here. Let's take a look at the back seat area. Your favorite people get heated outboard seats. Whoever gets to ride the hump, they don't get heat. They got to cuddle. All-weather floor liners. Here is a hidey hole for the kids to put their tuna fish sandwich. I'm just joking. There's cup holders, and this window will slide open. Now, this truck is ready to go. The guys made it pretty. They did everything but get our speakers on there. Now, the little thing is dinging at us because the key's in my pocket, and it keeps saying key missing, check for key. That's very important because you don't want to drive off and leave it. So, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the window sticker. There'll be a link to all the photos I've taken, including the window sticker. That'll have the price and all the features, because you got everything in this. You got collision alert, you have lane keep assist, all the safety features are on this truck. So doesn't have that Super Cruise, doesn't have that, and I'm fine with that because that's like $7,000 more. If you're going to drive, don't just let the truck drive for you, folks. That's Kent's opinion, okay? Not the official GM opinion. I like to drive still. So tell you what, give me a shout here at Concordia Chevy, 785-243-4380, or reach out to me on my cell phone, 785-243-8656. Ask about this 2025 amazingly handsome 3/4 ton Z71 Trail Boss in radiant red. I don't know. It's a nice truck, folks. Really. Take care as always. Have a great day.